Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's day 6, and we're off to the Florida Natural History Museum, which is housed on the campus of the University of Florida. They also have a butterfly rainforest, and I believe what this is going to be is a live butterflies that they have from cocoons that they release into a room. And it's really cool. If you have never done something like that, you should, especially if you have young children, kids or grandkids. They would love this. This mastodon display is right at the entry to the museum. This is a whole wall of preserved butterflies. Goes all the way down. In these next clips, the butterflies can sometimes be a little bit difficult to see. You might have to replay this section over a few times to be able to get a view of everything that's in here. But what I'm going to try to do is, if some of the butterflies are stationary in the video, I'll go ahead and put a magnifier on it so that you can more clearly see them. I highly suggest that if you have a smart TV, that you view this on your TV. A large screen is really going to bring in detail that you might miss if you are watching this on a small tablet or phone. I'm creating a shadow right where he's at. So there's a bunch of them here. I don't know if it's quail or what. There's a little, like, red finch. Real good in the sun. They're all different varieties, and since I'm not an expert, I have no clue.
hammer down right on your right foot, on your right side. That's my head there.
Okay. In this clip, Roy's trying to get the butterflies to jump onto his fingertip. I was at one other place like this down in Key West where they had butterflies, and they were landing on me left and right. I only believe it was because of the color shirt I had on, or maybe the cologne or something I had on that day that attracted them. But sometimes they'll do that, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, they're gorgeous, aren't they? This is something I would not expect that I would like, but I absolutely love coming to these things.
It's a great morning for it as well.
Yeah, not too hot, not too cold.
Nice and sunny.
got a really. Another one? Oh, I got a picture.
This is the rearing lab for the butterflies. It's pretty cool because it's a never-ending process. And the young fellow outside told me that they had 60 varieties, give or take. I dare say this is one of the biggest butterfly collections I've ever seen in my life. I've seen a lot of butterfly collections, but it just goes on and on and on here. This young lady appears to be preparing butterflies for display. I'm sure it's time consuming because they're so fragile. Run for your life! This bad boy is a giant sloth skeleton. Pretty cool. Makes Jaws look like a puppy. The butterfly rainforest at the Florida Museum of Natural History was well worth our time. But we were interested in getting to the west coast of Florida, so we hit the road here and headed toward Crystal River. Roy and I weren't in a big hurry, so we took county roads and small state roads on our way to the west coast. Stop. Wow. Right on the curve. The wind was blowing so hard that it completely drowned out everything I was trying to tell you here. And what I was telling you is that we kind of come full circle. This was the same beach that the first episode I did for Aegis Moto Adventures featured, was this particular beach. So we were just back to the same beach to kill some time while we were waiting for Willie to get off work. Wow, what a beautiful day today. It was just a great day to soak in the sun and just kind of people watch. But we weren't there too terribly long, and it was time to hit the road and head to Willie's for the evening. Well, the sun is going down, but it's just absolutely beautiful here at Willie's. This is out his back door. There's a lake and the little channel here that goes out to the lake. The neighbor's house is really cool. I don't know if you can see it there. Then all his live oaks, which overreach the yard. It's just a beautiful evening. Well, it's the end of the day. We're waiting for Willie to get home from work. As soon as he does, we'll probably go out and grab a bite to eat and chew the fat for a while and have some fun. Well, I hope you liked this video today, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care. Big Brahma bull. He's blowing at us. He's snorting. He doesn't like us here. He's growling at me now. I'm in his space. I'll leave you alone. I just wanted to get a picture of you. I didn't want to get you upset.